guys, I was on my way to the dispensary, and I was on my way to the dispensary, and check this out, man. I don't know what's going on here, but we're on like MLK. There's like a bunch of bikes, dude. There was a lot more. There was a lot more. Holy shit. I don't even know what's going on here. I don't even know what's happening here. Let me drive by these people and ask them real quick. Let me see what's going on here. Hey guys. Hey, I was just driving by. I was just seeing what's happening. I saw a lot of bikes, a lot of people on.
Wednesday, we have a ride out.
Okay, I just have my camera on.
Goodbye. Every Wednesday, we have a ride out. They start downtown by the Arts District at 7 p.m. And everybody meets up right there, and then they all ride out. And this is the midway point. This is the guy that you really want to talk to.
Okay.
He runs it.
Oh, okay, this guy.
Yeah,
okay.
So this is the midway point. We cater to them, and then they ride back out.
All right. Hey, yeah, this is the guy right here. Right on. I'm sure he's a busy man, but yeah, guys.
He's trying to figure out what this was. I was telling him.
Yeah, I just got a small. I'm recording myself. I won't put you on camera.
You can put me on there.
Okay, what's up, dude? What's your name?
How you doing, officer?
All right, brother. Have a good one. All right, bro. What's it called? What's the name of the thing? What is it?
I think it's called the Hump Day Rides.
Hump Day Rides?
Wednesday
Okay.
Hump Day.
Okay. I'm just curious because I was on my way to the dispensary at Oasis, and I was like, whoa, what's going on here? Because I usually cut through here and then go up this way.
Yeah.
Instead of taking MLK all the way down.
Yeah, no, we just ride our bikes. That's all it is.
Right on, man. All right, my name's Derek, bro. I run a YouTube channel, proV Belly of the Beast.
Okay.
I do like reviews on like police cam channels and police body cams and stuff.
Yeah.
And I in the middle of reviewing this channel called Realrightanduncut, where they're actually out of North Carolina and doing kind of some corrupt things. And I won't get too much into it, but yeah, it's proV Belly of the Beast.
proV.
Yep, and then space
Belly
of the Beast, just like it sounds. There you go. It's me holding my arms out like a silhouette.
Oh, dang. Okay, you got subscribers.
Yeah, I'm monetized. Yeah.
All right, I'm gonna subscribe.
Thank you, man. Thank you. Like I said, I do. Hell yeah. Yup. Fair Use Act of 1976.
Yep.
All right, brother. Hey, what's your name?
Ricky.
Ricky. Derek. Nice to meet you. Thank you, man.
All day.
Hey, have a good one, man.
You too.
Thanks. So, yeah, proV does actually ride around. He doesn't just stay in the house. Contrary to what everyone may think. But, see, guys, check it out. It's like, dude, there was like 100 of them earlier, but yeah, there was like 100 of them earlier, but yeah, guys, just wanted to show you something a little different. Hump Day ride along every Wednesday, but this is the first time I've seen it. Hump Day ride along. He was like, "Thank you, officer." How did he know? How did he know, guys? It's amazing. It's amazing. Do I, just by the way I look, really? I mean, it doesn't matter. Oh, see, there was more like those people over there riding their bikes. There was like 100 of those people. Watch, I guarantee you they're going to turn this way. Yeah, maybe not. But, that was really cool. But I wish I had my phone and camera ready because I came down the street and turned around like what I'm doing right now, and by the time I flipped back and turned on my camera, my phone, man, everyone was gone. I'm telling you, man, and I'm not trying to follow like people on cars or anything like that, but he said, "Hello, officer." Oh, that was great. That was good, guys. Speaking of officer, check out one of Las Vegas's Northtown's finest. It's actually a nice little police department. Look at it, guys. It doesn't even look, it looks like a mall. Does it not look like a mall, guys? Look at that. That's one of the most beautiful police departments I've ever seen. One of the more nicer. Not that I've seen too many or anything like that, but yeah. It's a nice one. It's a nice one. Anyway, guys, yeah, I'm over here on MLK and Alta, about to hit up the Oasis. You know, I'm gonna pick up me a dab slab. You know, nothing too crazy. Nothing too crazy, guys. Just a little dab slab. Just a little dab slab. But let me go ahead and close my windows, guys, so you can hear me. So you can hear me. Thank you guys for watching. If you haven't subscribed to the channel already, please do, man, because the more the merrier. So this guy, his name was Ricky. He subscribed to my channel, and that was pretty awesome. Pretty awesome. And I hope all you guys out there watch out for the reviews coming out tonight, because you know guys, it took me like pretty much almost half the day working on these orders because I wanted to get it perfect for you guys. I want the, god dang, it's hot in here. Hold on, guys. Wowie. You know, I try to make the viewing experience as good as possible for you guys, so if there's ever something that you guys want to, you know, critique me on, just let me know. I'm not going to freak out on you. I'm not going to pop on you, man. You know, I want to make it 100%. I want to go above and beyond for my subscribers, because a lot of content creators on YouTube really don't give a shit. And I'm not one of those people. I'm one of these guys that I'm still a viewer of YouTube. I'm an avid watcher of YouTube every single day. I'm trying to find out how to get better, you know, all that stuff. I hate to take a quote from Cherry, but y'all see what it is. Y'all see what it is. But I'm still a ways away from my destination here, but I will be there shortly. So I had I didn't, but you know, somebody that will remain nameless. I'm not gonna say me, because I can't really do that. But, oh shit, wrong turn. Oh shit, I'm going the wrong way. This is to go to Planet 13. I'm not going to Planet 13, I'm going to freaking Oasis. We're almost there, guys. But, I'm not gonna say I did it, because, that would be against policy. Somebody that will remain nameless got, 2 of Cherry's videos taken down, and, it's great. Well, he re-uploaded the other one because he couldn't keep his hands to himself. No, he freaking put his hands on Marley's chest. Oh, it's true. It's disgustingly damn true. And, you know, you don't put your hands on a woman. That's something you don't damn do. So that one got taken down. And also, the 2026 crack trailer party got taken down. Oh, it's great. It's so great, guys. But, you know, hey, it's his fault, man. Don't put disgusting videos out there and you won't have to get them taken down. It's your own fault, dude. But I must say, we're approaching our destination right about here. As you can see, guys, this is Oasis. Oasis. It's my Oasis, that's for damn sure. Oh, it's true. It's damn true. So, guys, I bid you adieu. And I will see you again very shortly on the next review. So, hopefully a few of you stay up. I know a lot of you stay up to watch my videos, so that's cool. I appreciate you. All right, guys, let me... Someone behind me. Shit, I gotta park this. Is there a parking spot over here? Look at all this graffiti, guys. Oh, jeez. All right, guys. See you soon. Have a great friggin' night. Thank you guys. Bye. Subscribe.